One play to go. Warrington still 25 metres away. Walker dances left. Williams with that right foot just jabs it up there. Rouget's underneath it and he's lost the ball. And it's going to be King who takes advantage and scores the try before he can get too much into his stride. Just a heavy carry forward again by Sims, and again the offload, and Da Costa throws left, and suddenly there are opportunities here. Romano gets the pass away. Kotric looking back on the inside here. He's allowed to play on. I thought the referee was looking at a forward pass, but he's not giving it. And Kotric, wow, some strength there, and he's only just denied. One play and Catalans are a stride away. Switching it out, untidy. Whitehead gets it on. Now it comes to Laguerre. Laguerre tries to put the big see you later, and he's shown some strength as well. Has he touched it down?
All carry a big presence.
He was missing last week, wasn't he? Oh, there's Williams with a lovely step, and he's got Walker back on his inside, and there he goes, flying away. Danny Walker underneath the sticks. Warrington is looking left and right. He's going to go to that left-hand side. Williams with a kick, and a dummy shown, and Dufty! Matt Dufty!
Isn't that loud enough for the players?
It's one thing about having a stadium named after you. You can't write a script. Oh, here comes Kotric. Now he can travel, and he's looking back on the inside with a kick for Kiri. What's the bounce like? Oh, it's beautiful from Kiri's point of view, but the covering is good. Ashton had that spotted. Danger snuffed out initially, but there's more to come here. It's taken on, and more passes away, and Laguerre's bouncing over the line, and we still have a game on our hands.